What comes to your mind when you hear the word paprika? A powdered red thing that makes your boring foods more flavorful and mouth-watering? Right? Actually, it's hard to find a single person who is not in love with its sweet, smoked, and hot flavor. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So, paprika is originally from North America, particularly in central Mexico, and it is the national spice of Hungary for 200 years. Isn't it amazing? Paprika is being used as one of the most prominent ingredients in foods like rice, stews, vegetables, and other delicious cuisines all over the world. You will be amazed to learn that paprika adds a number of health values to your body. Well, in today's video, we're going to let you know about the amazing things that happen to the body when you have some paprika. Before getting into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell and watch the video until the end. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ensure good source of nutrition. When you think about a good source of nutrition, paprika is on the way. Paprika ensures a healthy balance of nutrition that helps to run your whole body in a good state. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, only 1 tablespoon paprika can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. While paprika is a common source of vitamin A, and 1 tablespoon of it fulfills 19% of your daily vitamin A needs. By the way, antioxidants present in paprika help you battle against cell damage. Although you don't need to worry about its daily consumption if you are having proper amounts of paprika in your meal. Number 2. Helps you lose weight. According to Institute of Health Sciences, researchers found that xanthophylls present in red paprika could decrease the abdominal fat area in overweight people. Xanthophylls ensure antioxidant activity and an anti-metabolic syndrome effect in the body. In a recent 12-week study, it has shown that intake of xanthophylls has the ability to improve metabolism and cut down abdominal fat from being overweight body without causing any adverse effects. So, the daily moderate intake of xanthophylls in red paprika could play an important role in preventing lifestyle-related diseases. By the way, I added this research at the end of this video description. Number 3. Cuts down your unwanted cholesterol. When it comes to ensuring good heart health, keeping bad cholesterol in check is always top on the list. Although we know extra cholesterol is not the only harmful thing for the heart, but sometimes it can create a big mess. Actually, you don't have to worry because paprika can handle all these headaches on its own. Yes, the thing is, capsanthin, a carotenoid in paprika, may raise levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which is linked with a lower risk of heart disease, and it improves our heart health. According to a Japan-based research institute, a 2-week study found that paprika and capsanthin experienced significant increases in HDL levels compared with rats on a controlled diet. Another study done by Institute of Health Sciences, over 100 volunteers for 12 weeks, where researchers have discovered pretty positive results. The study showed those who took a supplement containing 9 milligrams of paprika carotenoids per day had significantly lower LDL, bad, and total cholesterol levels. So this carotenoid also helps in decreasing the levels of LDL, aka bad cholesterol. Try to add a moderate amount of paprika in your daily diet and keep your heart healthy. Number 4. Control blood sugar level. It might seem surprising to you, paprika is helping you to keep your sugar level in a pleasant state and manage diabetes. According to a 4-week study in 36 adults at the School of Human Life Sciences, University of Tasmania, found that a diet with capsaicin-containing chili pepper significantly reduced blood insulin levels after meals compared with a chili-free diet. The lower insulin levels typically indicate better blood sugar control. In another study of 2016 on 42 pregnant women, it was discovered that having a daily 5 milligrams of capsaicin can reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. Although further research is needed, but you must consult with your doctor before consuming paprika in your food items. Number 5. Keep your eyesight fine. Besides other body parts, paprika takes care of your eyes too. But in reality, we usually don't care about it at all. According to the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences, University of Wisconsin, studies have found that paprika contains nutrients like vitamin E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are beneficial to lens and retina, as well as assist to reduce the risk of developing advanced AMD and cataracts. So, daily consumption of paprika will help you improve your eyesight on its ways. Number 6. Helps to stay cancer-free. In your surroundings, you will find everyone freaks out about cancer these days. After all, cancer is no joke. Beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin of paprika are able to decrease the risk of certain cancers, such as breast cancer, by fighting with oxidative stress. Additionally, a study at Department of Nutrition and Food Science, Maryland University, has suggested that capsaicin of paprika can alter the activities of the genes that affect cancer cell survival and growth. This capsaicin is a bioactive phytochemical which is abundant in red and chili peppers. The research also suggests that capsaicin has been shown to alter the expression of several genes involved in cancer cell survival, growth arrest, angiogenesis, and metastasis. So, moderate intake of paprika can help you stay away from cancer. Number 7. Decrease inflammation and pain. It is very commonly known to us that paprika is an enriched source of capsaicin. This capsaicin has therapeutic roles by protecting your body from inflammation, digestive issues, arthritis, nerve damage, and different kinds of pain. According to PubMed, capsaicin represents a new orally applicable gastroprotective agent in healthy human subjects. Another study on numerous patients found that capsaicin can be a cure for neuropathic pain, musculoskeletal pain, bone cancer pain, inflammatory bowel disease (IBD), and migraine. Consuming moderate amounts of spice can help you balance these problems. Number 8. Makes your blood more healthy. We all know that hemoglobin plays a significant role in carrying oxygen in blood. Iron and vitamin E support the activities of hemoglobin and keep the blood vessels healthy. Paprika is an excellent source of both of these micronutrients. A study in Georgia Health Sciences University said that vitamin E has the efficiency to repair red blood cells. So, taking moderate amounts of paprika daily can help you defeat anemia and create more healthy blood cells. How much paprika should you take? According to the research, a single spoonful of natural paprika, 2.3 grams daily, stands for 23% of the recommended daily allowance in a 2,000-calorie diet, and only 0.3 grams of total fat and an energy potential of 6.5 calories. So, you can use it on your own choice. So, after all this good thing about paprika, let's focus on some shortcomings of it. Actually, first of all, moderation is the key to get a good health. So, you must consume paprika according to your daily needs, like not too spicy or above the limit. But if you consume much of it, it can cause heartburn and create trouble in your butt too. So remember, moderation is the key to bring all the good things that come with paprika. By the way, you can add paprika in your everyday healthy dishes. Also, sprinkle on salad, boiled eggs, vegetables, potatoes, and cooked rice. For more information, further research on paprika is needed and still ongoing. So, you must consult with your nearby doctor if you want to use it as part of a medicinal treatment or as a food in between bad health conditions. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Finally, have you wondered about it before that just simply adding a spice is giving you a huge amount of food values? How much do you like paprika in your foods? Do you know any other interesting facts about paprika and its health benefits? Tell us about them in the comment section below. This is all from us today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for next videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.